Like any other machine, your home AC requires regular maintenance to keep it up and running. After a few months of functioning, you may observe that the key components in your AC are not as effective as they used to be. And if you keep neglecting them, they may waste electricity or stop working, or worse, lead to some critical problem in your AC unit. Well, maintaining your air conditioner is the best way to ensure these benefits. Improved air conditioner efficiency. Cleaning your air conditioner allows it to perform more efficiently by reducing the stress and pressure that dust and debris buildup usually put on your unit. When air filters get clogged and become dirty, the normal flow of air is impeded, thus making your unit work harder than it should. In addition, when dust covers your evaporator coil, its ability to absorb heat is impaired, which further reduces efficiency and ability to cool your home. Lower electricity bills. In a normal household, cooling systems comprise a significantly large portion of your monthly electrical consumption. On the same note, a dirty air conditioning unit consumes more power, mainly because your unit is forced to work harder, raising its operating costs. In general, such air conditioners use anywhere between 5 to 10% more electricity. By cleaning your AC unit, you reduce your unit's need to work harder and thus shave some dollars off of your electricity bill. Future AC repairs and replacement. Leaving air conditioners running in a dirty state will eventually lead to bigger problems and complete failure. As your air conditioner unit gathers more dust and dirt, it will become more difficult to clean. In addition, your unit is prone to overheating as the evaporator coils are unable to dissipate heat effectively. Furthermore, your unit is prone to developing ice buildups. Air quality. A properly maintained air conditioner translates to better air quality inside your home. A periodic tune-up ensures that your air filters and ductwork are clean and free of pollutants that can cause allergies, asthma flare-ups, and other respiratory illnesses. How often do you need to maintain and service your AC? The short answer is regularly. But in all honesty, it all depends on your level of usage. For example, in the summer it would be ideal to check the dust filters every month, but in the less extreme seasons when the air conditioner is being used less often, you may only need to check it once in 3 months. For best results, it is better to aim for at least once a year for a professional clean and service. Monthly cleaning of inner division of a split air conditioner can be easily done by yourself. Just follow these steps. The first step to clean your AC is to switch off its power supply and open the AC panel. Now proceed to remove the filter. If your unit has more than one filter, remove them one by one. Take a toothbrush and gently clean the evaporator to remove any dirt. You should be extra cautious while doing this, as the sharp fins of the evaporator coil could cut your skin. To clean the filters, put them under a tap and clean thoroughly. Let the filters dry and place them back. Shut the AC panel. Now, turn the AC on, and that's it. Cleaning the outdoor unit is a bit difficult. It should be cleaned at least once a year by professionals.